you guys, it is day 2 and I am going to wash out all of this stuff that I put in my hair yesterday. Unfortunately, I didn't get to wash it out immediately as soon as I woke up. I had actually went through the day with it in my hair, so I'm a little bit nervous about, you know, leaving it in that long. But so this is what it looks like after it's been sitting for a day. I don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna rinse this out and I will be back. So this is the end result of the deep conditioning treatment. You know how sometimes after you wash your hair, it feels like that brittly feeling? That's when you know that you don't have a good quality conditioner. Because after you put conditioner in your hair and you rinse it out, your hair should feel soft afterwards. And my hair feels very, very soft and very lightweight. And I usually like to have my hair like dripping wet, not soaking wet, but like dripping wet. If it's too wet, I got this from Walmart. It's like a hood or something, but it's better to, like, you know, kind of like grab the water like with things like this. This is what I wrap my hair up with after I get out the towel, what I dry my hair with. You don't want to dry your hair with towels. You want to dry your hair with an old shirt or something of that sort so that it doesn't like catch to your hair and rip it out, you know, or dry out your hair. I'm going to be showing you how I do my wash and go. I will be using the As I Am curling jelly. This is one of my favorites. I've been using this for a little over 5 years now. Consistent sometimes, but depending on, you know, how your hair is before you start it, it varies. So your wash and go is not gonna come out the same every single time. I mean, if it does, you know, then I would love to watch your video and see your methods where you have like that super consistency where it looks exactly the same every time, but my hair is very iffy. So, and I want to make sure my hair is like squeaky clean, no product in it, no buildup of anything, because it will affect the outcome of the wash and go. I believe putting something on top of your hair before you do the wash and go affects it and makes it, you know, not take well. So I run in my mouth and my hair got dry, so I need to hurry up and get to this wash and go tutorial. So first of all, what I do is I start by parting my hair in 4 for my hair. There's different ways you could do a wash and go. I prefer the shingling method because it's more in depth. It's like you're separating and you're using smaller pieces of your hair. So, and you get a more defined look. So with the shingling method, I start with like pieces maybe this big. You could do them smaller. I want to start with the front of my hair. All right. So I'll start off with pieces about this big. As you can see, my hair is drying out now. So just always keep some water nearby. And just kind of spray it down. So wash and goes, they don't curl your hair. Like that's the common misconception with it, because a lot of people will buy stuff like the As I Am curling jelly that I'm using, and they'll think that it's gonna create a curl pattern. In my opinion, it doesn't create a curl pattern. Like it just defines what you already have. It's just like, my thing that I used to say is that it freezes your hair in that wet look. Like however your hair looks when it's wet, that's what its job is, to just like kind of like freeze it in the state of how it looks when it's wet. So that's my opinion about it. So if your hair is not, you know, curly, or you see another tutorial of someone whose hair is desirable. I know I've seen a lot of people whose hair curl pattern I like. And I just like the way their hair looked after their wash and go, and then I'll go and try the same product and my hair doesn't come out like that. So you have to love your own curl pattern, and you just have to accept it how it is, however it looks when it's wet. That's the look that it's gonna give.
It's just so big, it's just telling God you want you to be proud of me. I just want the angels looking down on me. I don't want nobody talking down on me. But if they talk, then let them talk. If they talk, then let them talk about me. I don't need that.
I like to take a little bit, about this much, and rub it, and then just rub it through the section. Let me show show you the difference. You see the difference in definition. So it basically just defines your curl. So we're just gonna put this piece up, and we're gonna get started on the second section.
I know everything that glitters ain't gold. You my favorite hater on the low. Yeah. Long as my lemonade cold and the tree roll, baby we could roll. Roll to the beach, down Victory. Duck misdemeanor, duck felony. She keep my celery, she keep on telling me I'm a celebrity. Yeah. Hopping out on Broadway, don't I look important? Kick him out the crib now, yeah I feel like Martin. Last name Lawrence, I just came from Florence. Headed to Savannah where they treat me like I'm Jordan. Please don't call me in the morning, no. I be out late that night, I might hit the stage tonight. I gotta get paid tonight. If you're in the city, come and see me, baby. Hope you're not too busy. Is you sober? Is you tipsy? Got you in.
So you guys won't be able to hear me because I sped up the clip. But what I was saying in the clip was that after you apply this curling jelly in your hair, it's like a gel kind of, but not really. But it will make your hair feel a little bit hard, but not as hard as gel. But it will feel like a little bit hard, and it will soften up over time as the days go on, and as you add like your leave-in conditioner and your oils on top of your hair every day, it starts to soften up. I would say after a day it'll soften up. So when it first dries, it feels a little crunchy, but it's not gonna stay like that. It will soften up over time.
I don't want nobody talking down, but if they talk, then let them talk. If they talk, then let them talk about it. I don't need that energy. I don't like your energy. It's
alright, so we are all done. Oh, this is the end result. And usually at this point, this is when I will put my leave-in conditioner on top of it. So as you can see, it's like super defined. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed me. If you didn't, I still appreciate you watching it all the way through. Yeah, so this is the end result right here.
DJ Black, that's my favorite DJ.